Hey guys, so I am pleased to announce that I have collaborated with FreshTrends and I will be unboxing one of their jewelry pieces that I received today. First and foremost, I have to recognize how nicely packaged their jewelry pieces always come wrapped. Every order is always delivered in their chic custom packaging and all items will be inside their beautiful signature purple drawstring pouch that also doubles as a polishing cloth. Included along with your piece of jewelry, you'll find their branded white box and a wear and care guide. So today I received my 14 karat gold pear fan cubic zirconia earring. And what I love about this piece is that it's very cute, delicate, and classy. And although this earring is made with cubic zirconias, the piece is still super shiny and made with really, really good quality. Honestly, you can't even tell that it's not diamonds. I also love the fact that it is nickel free and 100% solid 14 karat gold, which is perfect for people like myself who have very sensitive skin. So the first way you can wear this piece is just as a regular earring in your earlobe, and you can honestly wear it in any place on the ear, but I like to personally wear this piece in my first earlobe piercing. You can purchase it as a set or just order the single piece. And there you have it. Very classy, cute, and delicate. And this is perfect for everyday wear. Another way you can wear this piece is in your cartilage piercing. Me personally, I just think that this piece seems to fit perfectly in that piercing and is very noticeable there. Another thing I'd like to note is this sleek setting is designed for a flush, comfortable fit, and it's not just perfect for the ear, but the lip and nose piercings as well. You can purchase this in either genuine diamonds or AAA quality cubic zirconias, like what I have, and you can choose from 14 karat white, yellow, or rose gold. Each piece of jewelry that you order is made to order and never mass produced. Fresh Trends takes pride in handcrafting their fine body jewelry, and they make sure you receive a high quality piece of jewelry that will honestly last you a lifetime. Thank you so much, Fresh Trends. I love this piece. It's so, so pretty.